Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today's video is all about this brand new electric MG4. Today we're talking about protecting the vehicle. The way we're doing that is by adding in a dash camera solution. What we've added on to this particular vehicle is something called a Thinkware Q800 Pro, a 2K resolution front camera that really does give you great coverage across the front of the vehicle, protecting this owner of this car while he's driving. This is brilliant for if you're involved in an accident at all, or even if you just wanted to film something of an obstruction or someone else has had an incident in front of you, it's perfect for it. The really cool thing about this system is there's no draw on your vehicle's battery at all. There's no loss of range on your electric car, as well as the fact it's all controlled via an app. So with that 2K resolution front camera, you've got a really clear view across the whole windscreen right in front of your car, protecting it. We also do lots of other options where they're front and rear solutions, as well as systems with separate batteries. The advantage of going for a separate battery, the reason is basically you can record when the vehicle is parked with, again, no draw on your vehicle's battery system at all. These systems we do quite a few different options for you, so get in contact with us. All of our contact details are in the description below, and we can go through everything in a lot more detail on phone call, or come in and visit us with your car and we can go through everything in a load of detail with you. Plus we can email you across our full price list for all of our options that we offer for you and your new car. Thank you so much again for watching. Smash that subscribe button, and also all of our contact details is in the description below. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.